How to set high contrast theme to none, yellow or blue on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, swipe up to go all the way down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancements. And in here, tap on high contrast theme. And from here, you can select between none, yellow or blue. When you select yellow or blue for the first time, you may need to download the theme. So tap on update. So if you need to update, just tap on update Galaxy themes. And then tap on yellow. And then tap on download. So say download the yellow high contrast theme. So tap on download. Now this is all free, doesn't cost you anything. So tap on apply after that. And now it is applying the yellow high contrast theme. And here it is. When I swipe down, everything looks yellow and dark. So if we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility, then tap on vision enhancement, and then tap on high contrast theme. And here we can select blue, and then tap on download, then tap on applied, and this is the blue high contrast theme. So we go down and tap on accessibility, then vision enhancements, and then if we go to high contrast theme, and now I select none to go back to the default.